A cucumber.
He is number 2. Every day he eats a cucumber.
I am number 3. Next week, I will eat red and green apples.
She is number 3. Every week she ate green and red apples.
I am number 4. Yesterday, I ate raspberries.
She is number 4. Yesterday she ate raspberries.
I am number 5. Every day, I eat a tasty avocados.
She is number 5. Every day she eats tasty avocados.
I am number 6. Next week, I will eat green kale.
She is number 6. Next week she will eat green kale.
I am number 7. Yesterday, I ate a yellow pineapple.
She is number 7. Yesterday she ate a yellow pineapple.
I am number 8. Every day, I eat red tomatoes.
He is number 8. Every day he eats tomatoes.
I am number 9. Next year, I will not eat white cauliflowers.
She is number 9. Next year she will not eat
White
cauliflower.
I am number 10. 2 weeks ago, I ate red juicy apples.
He is number 10. 2 weeks ago, he ate juicy red apples.
I am number 11. Every day, I eat crispy lettuce.
He is number 11. Every day he eats crispy lettuce.
I am number 12. Next week, I won't eat small orange clementine.
He is number 12. Next week he will not eat small clementine.
I am number 13. Yesterday, I ate delicious and beautiful passion fruits.
He is number 13. Yesterday she ate delicious and beautiful passion fruits.
I am number 14. Every day, I eat delicious delicious mashed potatoes.
He is number 14. Every day he eats delicious mashed potatoes.
I am number 15. Next week, I will eat a yellow banana.
He is number 15. Every week he will eat a yellow banana.
I am number 16. 4 weeks ago, I didn't eat the disgusting dragon fruit.
He is number 16. 4 weeks ago, he didn't eat disgusting passion fruit. I am number 17. Every day, I eat small, tasty purple grapes. She is number 17. Every day she eats small, tasty purple grapes.
I am number 18. Next year, I will eat 100 good mangoes.
He is number 18. Next year, he will eat 100 mangoes.
I am number 19. Yesterday, I ate
Orange mangoes.
He is number 19. Yesterday, he ate orange mangoes.
I am number 20. Every day I eat beautiful carrots.
He is number 20. Every day he eats beautiful carrots.
I am number 21. In 10 years, I will eat vegan pizza.
She is number 21. In 10 years, she will eat vegan pizza.
I am number 22. Yesterday I ate green kiwi.
She is number 22. Yesterday, she ate green kiwi.
I am number 23. Every day I eat a juicy sour lemon.
She is number 23.